Here we're looking at a triangle, and we're trying to solve for angle C. I can't use law of sines here just to make sure I don't have any opposite pairs where I know both an angle and a side. Since we're solving for angle C, I'm going to set this up as a c squared law of cosines. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. And as I plug things in, so you've got c squared is 169, a squared is going to be 25, b squared is going to be 196, 2 times 5 is 10, times 14 is 140, cosine of c. We've got to be really careful here. There's a tendency to want to combine the three numbers on the right side. However, 140 is attached to cosine of c by multiplication. We cannot combine that with the other two. So what I'm going to do is to move these to the other side. And when we do that, I'm going to combine these two first. So 196 plus 25, we got 216 plus 5 is 221. I'm going to minus 221 to both sides. When I do that, I've got negative 52 and negative 140 cosine of angle C. Let's divide by negative 140. And then we're going to do inverse cosine of that fraction. So 52 over 140. And when I do that, sorry, taking a minute to type this in. We end up getting 68.1962 degrees.